Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to integrate your domain name with DropFunnels. So let's go to integration and your domain. So I'm using GoDaddy, so I'm gonna go to GoDaddy and I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna use a domain name to use on this website, and all I have to do is really simple. I'm gonna show you. So I'm in my GoDaddy account right now, and so as you can see right here, point an A record to the following IP address. So I'm just gonna copy this address, these numbers, and go ahead and edit the A record, so right here, and point to, and I just paste the address that I got from DropFunnels, and I click save, and basically that's it. And the domain name is MaximeWarno.com, and set up custom domain. Okay, and so right here when you click on OK, it's gonna create all of your website and redirect to this domain name. And so your website might be unavailable. Wait for an email to receive as soon as it gets done. It takes like 5 minutes at most. 2 minutes after I receive the email, so right now I can go to MaximeWarno.com and it's gonna be my website. And so all I have to do is to do login. So you're gonna have received this inside of your emails. So login, and you're gonna have to verify your email. Okay, so this email is correct, and you're gonna have access to your DropFunnels dashboard again. So but right now you have this domain that is set up for you, and you have the HTTPS, you have the SSL already built for you, and it took us like 5 minutes, guys. This is really amazing. If you're familiar with WordPress, this used to take hours and hours, and right now you just have to do these simple things and you have access to your website, to your URL, and you have already an SSL. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, drop them down below this video in the comment section. I will be there to answer any of them. And also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so you get a notification when I release a new tutorial just like this one. And also, it helps me help more people with my content and this video. So thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.